Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi Mankara. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, nowadays many people, even my friends, many of them are suffering from thyroid problem, hypothyroidism. Because of this, the major problem with this is it reduces BMR. So that is basal metabolic rate. When metabolism is reduced, that means the digestion, absorption and assimilation and energy production, all this process is reduced, because of which there will be excess accumulation of fat. That's how people usually become obese when they are suffering from hypothyroidism. So there are many postures, yoga postures, which help for stimulating the thyroid, and also we can even reverse back without taking medicines. Many of my friends have cured it completely without using medicines by doing yoga stretches. So let's see how to do. Okay, come up into Vajrasana. Separate your knees hip distance, elbows to the knees, spread your palm, breathe in and lift yourselves up into angle pose. Cat cow stretch, you must be knowing it's very good, as we apply pressure on the neck and stimulate the thyroid gland. Okay, deep breath in. Start always from the tailbone. As you breathe in, curl your tailbone. Take a deep breath in and start always from the tailbone. Breathing in, draw, push your spine from the tailbone, push it down, upper back, chest. Then lastly, you have to lift your head and neck, completely stretch your neck. As you're breathing out, again start from the tailbone, curl it, push your spine up. Lastly, bend your head and neck and bring your chin to the chest. That's how we cause the pressure on the thyroid gland. Breathing, starting from the tailbone. Lastly, always head and neck. Lastly, you have to lift or bend. And relax. This posture is also very important for thyroid problem, because as you can see, we are stimulating this posture involves whole of our spinal cord, that is each vertebra we are moving it. So this helps for proper circulation of cerebrospinal fluid. So this also helps for relieving the thyroid problem. Okay, now fish pose. Okay, fish pose. So fish pose, either you can do keeping your legs cross-legged or lotus pose, or also you can do with Baddha Konasana. So just feet together, pull your feet close to your groins. Slowly take your hands down, elbows down, support your elbows and bring the center of the head or crown of the head to the floor. Okay? So hands either rest here or bring them up into Namaskar Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support your elbows down, relax your head and relax. So this is how we have to do the fish pose, but many people cannot do this way. So the modification what we can do is stretch your legs, elbows down, slowly supporting your elbows down. Okay, now just tilt your head as much you can do comfortably. Breathe in here. Breathing out. Just try to bring your chin to the chest. Hold here and lift. This also is very good, same effect it will get. So you can rest here, no need of touching or going to bringing your head to the floor, just be here. And you can just add some movements. Lift your head up and down. 1. Breathe in here. Breathe out here. 2. 3. 4. 5. And slowly support your hands, rise up. So this way also we can do. And movement of neck is again optional. You can just relax your head and stay there for 10 to 20 counts. Or if you're fine with your neck, you can just apply the pressure on your neck. Okay, this is one more very good way of doing the fish pose. Now lie down on your back. Separate your feet. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana is also very good. So separate your legs, hip distance. Interlock your fingers, stretch your hands up. Breathe in. Breathing out, squeeze your butts. And slowly push your hips up. Push, push, push. As high as you can lift them up. As you can see, there's pressure here on the throat and thyroid. So hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly come down. Stretch one leg at a time and relax. Okay, one more very effective yoga pose is lion pose or simhasana. So sit in Vajrasana if you can, or sit cross-legged comfortable way, Sukhasana also you can do. Now open your fingers full, completely you have to spread your fingers. Take a deep breath in. Just make that sound from the throat. Okay, this also again stimulates the thyroid. And open your mouth as wide as you can and spread. Just take your eyes up as if it is a scary lion. Okay, lion pose. So, and just pull or protrude your tongue as much as you can. So just pull out the tongue completely and look up. Stretch your eyes up and open your mouth as wide as you can. Spread your fingers. Okay, breathe in. Relax, palms open to the sky, keep your eyes closed and just observe the energy flow. A lot of blood and energy flowing to your head and face, and a lot of stimulation of the throat. It's very good. Just observe the sensations.